What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, the theme of this video is going to be doors start opening when you realize it's okay to start over. Let's go. Doors start opening when you realize it's okay to start over. Not because you lost, not because you failed, but because you outgrew the version of you that's settled. I know what it's like to chase structure, to do everything right, go to school, get the job, show up on paper the way people expect. But what happens when that version of success starts to feel like a cage? I left a federal job that once felt like achievement, but deep down, I knew I was suffocating my creativity and my joy. I was clocking in, but I was checked out. And sometimes, God doesn't move us gently, He shakes the table. I had to start over as a single mother, as a woman healing childhood wounds, as someone who had to forgive herself for staying too long in places she had already outgrown. I've been overlooked, underestimated, undervalued, but I've also been covered, protected, and prepared. And now I know starting over isn't shameful, it's sacred. It takes courage to say, this is no longer for me, and I choose peace over pretending. And it doesn't have to be loud. Sometimes starting over looks like whispering a new prayer, setting new boundaries, or simply getting back up and trying again. Now, I'm still figuring it out, but I'm showing up every day for me and for my son. And every time I choose myself, a new door opens. Sometimes slowly, sometimes all at once, but nonetheless, they open. So if you're watching this and you're in the middle of a pivot, if you're rebuilding, reclaiming, or remembering who you are, know this. You don't have to have it all together to begin again. You just have to believe you're worthy of more. You're allowed to shift. You're allowed to grow. You're allowed to leave what doesn't love you back. And you're allowed to rise softly, boldly, and in your own time. You don't need permission to start over. Just the courage to trust that what's ahead is better aligned with who you're becoming.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.